So we've just got Carolina demoing this ultra slim mobile stand for an IFP. On our website, the total package, as you can see here, is around $4,000. Carolina will just scroll down to show you package 2, which is most like what we're currently using on demo. That set 2 there includes the HuddlePod camera, which there's a box for below the screen that Carolina will just point at. And there's also the actual camera itself behind Carolina there. So that HuddlePod camera has the receiver for that wireless speakerphone unit built in, so you just plug in the camera and everything's connected. And also below the screen you can see this panoramic camera, which is the other option. And that can be included with a tripod or physically mounted to the bottom of the screen, with or without the HuddlePod unit and the NUC PC. AV King, if you'd like to get one of these systems on demo for your office, or if you would like to purchase, including installation in Southeast Queensland. Carolina will just come up to the side of the screen and move it slightly just to show you how easy it is for one person to move this package around the office. So very easy to move this package to wherever you need your video conferencing system. AV King.